Alright, so today I'm going to try and do my PVC valve in my 2018 Subaru Outback. Alright, so you need either a flathead screwdriver or you need a little impact driver to take that off. You really only have to loosen two of these. Alright, once you get that loose, then all you got to do is take this off, and that comes off. And there's a tube connected over on this other side, but you can just kind of pick it up and move that out of the way so you don't have to take that tube off. And then the hardest part of this job is trying to get the tube off. Right, so after you get this tube off, you pull this off the top connector here, and then this tube pulls off of the bottom here. And this is a bad tube because it cracked. And then you need a 19 millimeter socket. Go ahead and take that out. And once you get it loose, you can just do it by hand. Take your old PVC valve out. And the way you test these is you give them a shake. I would say this one is pretty clogged up. It rattles a little bit, but not very much. All right, the new one, you can hear a definite difference there in how it sounds. So probably I should put some Teflon tape on this. All right, so once you get your PVC valve in, you need to tighten that down. And once you get it started, you can just put your extension on there. Tighten that down with your ratchet. Should be fairly tight, but not as tight as you can get it. All right, so that's pretty good. And then once you get that on, you need to try and put your rubber hose back on again.